Across the globe, environmental issues dominate today's headlines. In response, nations, companies, and everyday people are changing the way we do things to help preserve and protect our world for the future. I'm Greg Gumbel. Whether it's cleaner air, sustainable development, or energy efficiency, join me as we span the globe to bring you the stories that truly matter. Welcome to our planet. Whether it's chemicals, acid runoff, or just plain neglect, fresh water has become an increasingly rare commodity. Let's see how this is changing.
Earth. It's considered the water planet because it is made up of nearly 75% H2O. However, only 1% of our planet's water is actually fresh water.
Drinking water is one of the world's most limited natural resources. And as populations grow and droughts continue, it is certain that the demand for potable water will eventually exceed the supply.
Here in Arizona, sufficient water supply has always been a major challenge. With total sustainable water supplies of 4.6 million acre-feet per year and an expected population increase to nearly 12 million people by the year 2030, the state is moving perilously near the breaking point on water. What's more, the entire Southwest has experienced a decade-long drought. All this has many in the nation's second fastest growing state asking, where will the water come from?
Global Water uses an integrated approach to managing water scarcity we call Total Water Management, or TWM. This approach combines water, wastewater, and recycled water management. It's a big picture look at how to conserve water in our fastest growing communities.
Wastewater from homes, schools, and businesses is piped to Global's water reclamation facility, where it is highly treated and purified before being distributed back to communities as recycled water and used again.
Most new developments are plumbed with two totally separate water networks, traditional pipes for drinking water and pipes for wastewater. At Global, we add a third set of purple pipes, which sends recycled water back into communities so it can be used for a variety of purposes.
The TWM approach is really very simple. No one would use Perrier to wash cars or water lawns or even flush toilets. And we take along the same approach here. We treat wastewater to a very high standard and then reuse it in the community from golf courses, irrigating school grounds, other non-potable uses.
Recycling water can help reduce freshwater usage by more than 40%.
A great example of the total water management approach in action is right here in the city of Maricopa, where through regional planning and reuse of recycled water, Global has managed to recycle over 1 billion gallons of water. That equates to 40% of the total water demand of the city and is equivalent to over 60,000 swimming pools.
This milestone was made possible in part because we have city leaders and communities who understand that water is a precious resource. Together we can ensure that development can be sustainable in the face of water scarcity. Within our communities, we have built green facilities. The Global Water Center is one, and it has over a dozen exhibits for water conservation.
The Water Center exemplifies the prototype for progressive water conservation.
Our facility is the first leadership in energy and environmental design, or LEEDS facility in Pinal County. This facility was constructed using a lot of recycled material. It uses 30% less energy, and it doesn't use one drop of potable water for flushing toilets and urinals. It uses recycled water.
Using Global Water's recycling model, Arizonans could save 300 million gallons of fresh water per day by 2030.
Nothing is more important to the state of Arizona than water, and companies like Global Water will continue to play a critical role in ensuring conservation through ideas like total water management. We simply have to deploy these kinds of large-scale water reuse programs, or Arizona very well could run out of water someday.
To learn more about this story, please visit www.gwresources.com.